Today we're diving into the features of the Eleacc Portable Wireless Carplay Car Stereo, a versatile 7-inch HD touchscreen device designed to enhance your driving experience with seamless integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This innovative car stereo allows you to access your phone's music, navigation, messages, and hands-free calls via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or USB, all while supporting voice control through Siri or Google Assistant for a safer, more convenient journey. With its universal fit for any vehicle, from RVs to trucks, and an easy-to-install adjustable dashboard mount, you can enjoy the benefits of modern technology without altering your car's original setup. The real-time GPS navigation and included backup camera provide precise guidance and safety, making reversing a breeze with its adjustable 180-degree vertical angle and 18-foot cable. Experience multiple audio output options with Bluetooth 5.3, built-in dual-DIN stereo speakers, aux, and FM transmitter, ensuring your favorite tunes sound great through your car's stock speakers. The 7-inch HD touchscreen offers a wireless mirror link for both Android and iOS, delivering a vivid and responsive display for media and navigation. Elevate your in-car experience with features like multi-language settings, night vision, and brightness adjustment, all backed by a 2-year warranty, making it a perfect gift for special occasions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.